Hey guys, welcome back to another one. We're doing part 3 of the jib crane build, which is the boom portion. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, we gotta move Mrs. Piggy, or Miss Piggy, whatever Kermit's wife is. This could be interesting. Seriously, make sure you check out part 1 and 2. You will not be disappointed. You might be. I don't really know what I'm quite doing on this whole YouTube adventure. There. Now you guys might be able to see me while I talk. Not that you want to see me or hear me talk, but now you can. How heavy is this? Oh, baby. It's heavy. Are you kidding me? That doesn't even fit underneath there. What we're doing now is getting this in place so I can, what am I doing? I gotta think about this. What am I doing? I think I went high enough, jeepers. This is real nice. First order of business is we're gonna grind this all up, so. I swear it's heavier than it looks. So what we got going here is we're going to try to get things squared up here. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the end of there and we are going to cut the I-beam off to where we need. So my apologies guys, I thought I was put you on a time lapse, but apparently I didn't. But we did start whatever's down in there on fire. I thought I smelled something burning. Turned back and there's just flames shooting out of there. But I think we got it taken care of. I'm not really sure what was underneath, what's in there. Oh. Okay, so I've got a little ahead of myself. I already cut this angle piece out, and now I am working on getting it tacked and fitted, and I'll catch back once I get it tacked. Ah! I forgot to change the mode. Okay, so we added this inside piece, and that's just not really structural, but it's just to spice it up a little bit. And if you guys can't tell, this is the Welding logo. Change your plans. We're gonna do that last, actually. We need to weld all that up first. Okay guys, next, we're gonna be adding all these little pieces here, wherever the two I-beams connect. So it'll be like there. Will be one, here will be another one, and then another one way at the bottom. But I'll tell you guys on a time lapse while I finish grinding these and tacking them up, so just hang tight. Everything here is tacked. I did add something off camera. I added this off camera, which you'll be able to see it better once I get everything painted up. But now we're gonna make some angle iron pieces for that down at the bottom, along with angle iron that will come out of here to hold the cable for the trolley system. See, they aren't anything too fancy. They're just gonna basically bolt up here somehow. I haven't figured out how yet. Okay guys, it's been a few days since I last picked up the camera, but the next step of our process is gonna be to weld all this up, or this part of the crane up. We gotta mark out some holes drill the holes. So I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse while I weld this all together. Well, as you guys can see, the boom is all welded up. Still have to clean all the welds, but it's at least all welded. And all that's left now is to drill like 4 holes, and then it'll be ready to be hung. Well, that's going to do it for part 3 of the jib crane build. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the other videos in the series, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do that YouTube thing, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.